Little Liz was a baby bird. She lived in a cozy nest on the top of a tree with her mother and two brothers. Every day, Mama Bird would bring yummy treats for the little chicks to eat. Days passed and the babies grew bigger. "Kids," said Mama Bird, "you are growing up now. It's time for you to leave the nest." "No!" shouted Liz, making them all jump. "What's the matter, Lizzie?" asked her mother. I don't want to leave the nest, Mama," said Liz, trembling. "I am scared." "There's nothing to be scared of. I will help you. Come, my little sweetie," said Mama. "Whee!" yelled her brothers as they jumped off the branch. They flapped around happily. "Come on, Liz," they shouted. "It's easy." "No," she said. "I will just stay here." And she wouldn't move. Every day, Mama Bird tried to make Liz leave the nest and fly. But she was too afraid. "What do I do?" thought Mama Bird sadly. "Poor Liz is going to spend her whole life in the nest. Oh my God." One day, Mama Bird went to find food. Liz waited and waited, but her mother did not come back. She began to feel hungry and hopped out of the nest. "Mama!" she called out. Just then, a big kite flew near Liz and frightened her. She tumbled off the branch, screaming, "Help! Help! Mother! Help!" Her mother was just returning. "Flap your wings, Liz!" she yelled, flying towards her. Liz flapped her little wings as fast as she could, and before she knew it, she was flying. "Mama, look! I can fly just like you!" And that's how she started her new adventure of life, where entire universe is waiting to get explored by all our little ones. So, don't be scared anymore. Just spread your wings, my dear, and start flying. So that's all for today, my little friends. Your GolpoMa will come back soon with a new learning, with a new story. Bye.